guys, Chef Anthony here. We're talking about the Galley Workstation. We have Allie and Cam Heyward, our guests here that really speak on the Galley because they own one. They crank on it every day. You know what I mean? So guys, Galley's here, talking about it. We're on our second roll. Just give us like what you envision you guys are going to be doing next in your Galley. Now that you see the setup, now you see how all the attachments work, things like that.
Plan on partying with my Galley, you know.
Party with my Galley, that's it.
Party with my
That's a new
Galley.
hashtag coming out, gang, so party with my Galley.
Yeah, being able to entertain, throw some steaks on here, have some fun, you know, do a pizza, you know, burritos.
Yeah, you can see here, it's like the salad, all your toppings. You could do ice cream bar with kids,
Yes.
tacos.
I've used this to, you know, stick some shrimp on top of some ice in here. And
Yeah,
it's just a great experience for, you know,
Yeah.
entertaining.
all these little inserts and extra additives really help you, the workstation, really make your life smoother. Like these small square pan inserts
Yes.
are great for this, you know, taco bar like you talked about, or, you know, even to make salad if you don't want, you know, those picky eaters at home, like, you know, I know Tiffany won't eat tomatoes, you know what I mean? I eat everything. I'm like Matt, the garbage sewer over there. I eat it all, but you know, some people don't eat peppers, some people don't eat carrots. Now you can keep the lettuce there, you can keep
Right.
everything set. The ice bowl with, you know, the ice drinks down, or, you know, like you said, shrimp cocktail, all the cold stuff. Even these small round inserts come in a 4-pack. You can keep the herbs in there. I do the olives. You know, the drying rack too is just one of my favorites because it's another more added space. You
cooling rack.
Yeah, you can make it nice and cool. You could rinse things in there too, and you know, you could just, like I said, go right to the sink with it. You know, but even those, all this can be ripped, you can write on. So like I know you guys with the kids, I mean, this might be a great option for you guys too, is to take all this and get those chalk markers and have them scribble all over, which
Yes.
I'm sure you guys would love that, right?
I need one more thing to claim of. What's the
But this can be our buffet
Yeah.
style meal from now on.
You're
This
right.
is a good place to do it.
And I mean, it's cool because, I mean, I won't do it because I will be the one to spell stuff, but I mean,
Go
this
ahead,
is
do it.
just
You
pick-
Go
pick it up.
ahead.
Go
No, I'm
ahead,
just
pick
saying,
it
like,
up. Yeah.
you can shift things down, you can pick things up.
That's
Like,
what I mean,
you
the
can
slide,
have everything
move.
off. I mean, it's really versatile, and I mean, you can literally do anything with it. It's not just
Yes.
a sink.
That's what I mean. There's like an indefinite number of setups and, you know, just ways you can do it. Now, I mean, this is going to come anywhere from 3 foot to 7 foot. You know what I mean? So you guys have, you know, yours is what, 5-6 foot at least,
Yes.
right? Yeah.
5 foot, yeah.
Yeah. So I mean, the 5 foot, which is like, you know, the size of a person. Okay, let's be real honest. You know what I mean? But you know, they do it. They do it from a preparation standpoint, a workstation standpoint, a cleaning standpoint. There's even bar sinks now. There's wash stations. So Galley's expanding the line as far as a single bowl and a double bowl sink. Once again, it's all military grade stuff. So it
Yeah.
really takes, you know, a lick and it keeps on ticking. I like to say, but you know what I mean? I don't even know where I brought that out, but
Wow.
Next level.
it's next level. I mean, I think I brought it back to like, maybe because I'm like turning 39 or 40. I'm turning 40, I'm 39 right now. But I think I'm like really, you know, tapping into my like old lingo. I don't know. I mean, all that 90s stuff is back, so, you know. But I mean, we're gonna get different finishes here. We're gonna get the matte. We're gonna get the satin brass, the spun. I mean, you're gonna see all these different looks in all these galleys, and they all, you know, complement each style of kitchen is what the important part is. So, you know what I mean? The galley is always gonna be current, guys. It's always gonna look cool, like, especially your kitchen. I mean, your kitchen's like, you know, almost white, like quartz like this or granite, right?
So
Like,
our island is a white, but our perimeter is a matte black. So I mean, it looks so sleek.
yeah, so it's almost that like, you know, black farmhouse look
Yeah.
that's really popular right now, but it really makes this, you know, kind of pop and be current for the next, you know,
Yeah.
20 years of your face
Right.
is what we like.
It better.
It better, yeah. You're right. It better, guys.
It
Galley,
better.
It better, yeah. You heard it from Cam. It better be.
Right.
But, you know, we have all these other little, you guys think of anything else that, you know, kind of, now that you see this, like, pops into your head, like even dessert. Like, I got these, like, you know, couple of these biscottis here, things like that. Like, I mean, I could do like an ice cream bar for, you know, everybody.
I'm excited for the ice cream bar. I'm like vanilla, chocolate, strawberry. Mix them all together. Toppings. Boom, boom, boom.
Yeah. I mean, it
Mix
really
it all
is.
in one.
I mean, it's nice. Even if you put like your sauces out here, the sauces go into the sink. It doesn't go onto your counters. It's just like one less thing.
Or your kids'
Kinda,
clothes.
Yeah, or your kids.
You're right.
It kind of like helps them out a little bit.
And at
you
that
know?
point, you know what I mean? We could probably put the kids in there, rinse them down, make it happen. You know what I mean?
But this is the crazy thing. We didn't know about this before we got here. You put your knives in that.
I've been using this wrong, apparently. I have, we have our silverware stuff, but this, apparently, is for knives. I just put my little, Scrub Daddy sponge there. It dries it out. But now I know.
So, guys, it might not even be for your knives anymore. It might be for your Scrub Daddy sponges. She's talking about
They didn't even know what they created.
You're right. We found a multi-use here with the Heywards. This is how they do it. And that's the beauty about it, man. This is how you guys roll with your galley. This is how you make it. But, you know, even they have this one here, but they also have one that builds into your island if you want to use that too. It cuts into the island and it actually holds the knives too, to kind of keep them away from the sink. But, you know, especially with you guys with kids, I mean, I don't know how many knives you're going to keep here for a safety issue.
Yes. That will definitely be flipped.
You're right. We might need more Band-Aids.
Yes.
But yeah, I mean, so for that insert, I mean, the two round pieces, you know, really hold all the cutlery and all the tongs and forks and things like that. Especially Galleys, you have this too. Galley gives you two of these with the orange handle on top, and they're stainless, and they're basically indestructible. So, you know, you can bend them, break them, fire them off the wall. So
I'll try.
You try. I was gonna say, I don't know, dude. You're a lot stronger than the average person. I would like to say that. So
Galley, you're in for it. I'm gonna
right.
see what you're about for the next 20 years.
You know, military grade, Heyward grade. You know what I mean? That's
That's strong stuff.
You're right. That is strong stuff. I like that.
Yeah.
That might be another one of your phrases. That's
Yes.
stuff, dude. You know what I mean?
Another thing that we have that isn't here, I mean, it's just little, but we do have our filtered water here too. On our left side, we have a filtered water, and we also have an instant hot water. So it's nice for tea.
Do you love that
stuff.
butler like that? That instant hot?
Yeah,
Yes.
it's great. Yeah, no, we have our soap. This little button right here is your garbage disposal. And then we have our two faucets, and then we have our third faucet, our
Yeah, you're right.
filtered water and instant hot water.
That's a nice feature
It
because
is.
it really gets the boiling point. But like even these galley taps are just built so much like, you know, like you said about you talked before about the soap dispenser, but now, you know, that button is like so much more profound. It's always like bigger. I think it's always bigger and more robust, a little bit better. You know what I mean?
Definitely.
I definitely think so. You know, I
Love
mean,
it.
guys, we got all this food too. I mean, I've been thinking about it all. But, you know, like I got like 3 pounds of salad. I mean, I got like all these condiments, all this.
What's the
stuff.
craziest thing you've made on here?
I tell you what, I actually did a whole layer for Thermidor. I covered it all with a black slate, and we just kept slicing.
Yeah.
I put the whole dinner on there. So I put like 20 pounds of roasted potatoes, you know, 10 pounds of steak and tuna. So I really throw anything and everything. Galley Workstation, Cam and Allie, high fives for everybody. I love you guys.
Thank you.
There
You guys
we
are rock
go.
stars,
Thank
good
you.
moves.